Greetings, I'm Jason from Gumdrop. This is Apple's brand new 10.2-inch 7th generation iPad, and this is our brand new Hideaway 10.2-inch 7th generation iPad case for that new 10.2-inch 7th generation iPad I mentioned earlier in this sentence. This new iPad is a masterclass in sophisticated technological engineering that has the annoying tendency to stop working when hurled at the ground. Design flaw? Don't worry, Apple, Gumdrop's got you covered. If you plan on using the detachable stylus holder, begin by attaching it to the plastic portion of the case by pushing the rubber nub into the hole on the right side. Next, slip the iPad underneath the hooks on the bottom of the plastic portion of the case and slide it into place. Press down on the corners to pop them over the edges of the iPad, securing it. Insert the top edge of the plastic portion of the case under the silicone portion. When you get to the stylus holder, squeeze it through the matching hole in the rubber bumper. Continuing around the outer edge, fold the silicone over the plastic. Once all four corners are in place, ensure that all of the silicone tabs are pressed into the notches of the plastic frame. And that's all there is to it. If you're using the shoulder strap, insert the thin end of each side into the tabs on the back of the case. Slide them through, then pull the other half through the hole in the strap and pull to tighten. If you'd like to give the Hideaway case for the 10.2-inch 7th generation iPad a try before you deploy, test one out by clicking on over to gumdropcases.com today and requesting your free demo unit.